Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach strumming form or my strumming pattern for goodness of God. So first, let's look at this Worship Him app, okay? And then I've already searched for the song, so it is in my hearts list. Okay. Yeah. And we have here Goodness of God, and I am going to change it into the key of G. Show you how to change it into the key of G. So kanina nasa A flat siya, right? And then now I'm gonna pinindot ko tong gitna, and then I'm gonna change it into G. Okay, sa full screen lang siya napapalitan, but I'm gonna use my screenshot of it. Okay. So in the last video, I taught how to single strum through the whole song like this. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Now we will start with the chorus. I will teach strumming the chorus. Actually, if you go to worship Him and you want to check the tablature, you click, they have a new feature. You click on the key. Tapos you will learn how to, it will show you yung tabs nung chord na yon. And you can even, if you don't want to play it this way, you can even click next to, for example, C. Find the different ways to play C, which is ever easier for you. So to my students, I taught the strumming last quarter. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So yun yung gagamitin natin sa unang C, and then faithful G. Down, up, down, down. And then C ulit. And all my life, you have been down, up, down, down. So good. So good. G, D, D. And then C with every breath. Down, up, down, up, down, that I am able. So what I do for this one is 2 strums, pero instead of down, sa so good, it's down, up. I don't use F sharp for this, oops. And then D, and then E minor. Then oh, I will sing down, and then D, down, God, down, up, down. Let's try it. So pag sinabi kong whole, it means when I say whole, down, up, down, down. That's what I do. When I say 2, yung dalawa, 2 down, and then up, down is 1. So yun lang. Again, whole, 2, whole, down, up, 2, whole. Okay? All my life you have been whole, faithful, whole. And all my life you have been too, so good, whole. With every breath that I am, down, up, I will do of the goodness, whole of God. I'll try it again, okay? All my life you have been faithful. Tuloy-tuloy ko na. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing the goodness of God. Natin yung pattern, whole, 2, tsaka meron namang 1 ngayon. Make it as easy. So whole, I love you, Lord. 2, for your mercy never fails me. 1, all my days. 2, I've been held in your hand. Whole. From the moment that I wake up, down, up until I lay my head, Ooh, I love your cool voice. 2, you have led me through the fire. Ito, dito siya magsa-start ha. Ito yung last na D. And the 1 to darkest night. 2, you are close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as down up, down up, down. I have to live in the goodness full of God. Okay, and then let's go to the last part. Oops. Let's go to the bridge. By the way, yung D, pag masyado mahaba, minsan, ginagawang D sustain. Nilalagyan ng dito sa 3rd fret, finger 1. Okay. So, sa bridge na tayo. So, G or G over B. Okay. Pag G over B, tanggalin mo tong 2nd and 3rd finger. Okay. Puro 2 lang tayo dito. Yeah, G over B. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Put my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. And then make it brush on as you practice. So, try natin, umpisahan na. Love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me, and all my days I've been held in your hand. The moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing the goodness of God all my life. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing the goodness of God. I love your voice. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, and in darkest night, you are close like no other chord. Known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Punta na tayo sa bridge. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Chorus. Last. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing the goodness of God. Oh, I'm gonna sing the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Ayan yung expectation ko sa final video nyo, yung last na yun.